to my unboxing of my brand new CFX3 dual zone fridge. Yes, a camping fridge, not a cool box or a cooler, a dual zone camping fridge, which I'm very excited about. I've never been in a position to actually own one before, and now I am. So I fell into the bracket like everybody else, where you take a cool box and with a big bag of ice, and eventually the ice bag breaks and floats whatever's in your cool box. Well, not anymore. You can not only can you keep things cold as you would in a fridge, you can actually freeze things too. So that gives you loads of options to take extra nice little comforts while you're camping or 4x4ing, and it's a really exciting thing to own. And I thought I'd unbox it with you guys and see what your thoughts are on it. Without further ado, let's get it open, have a look at it. Right, everybody, let's get into it. So one of the things that really drew me to getting this fridge, among other fridges, is the ability to control it with an app. I know that's quite much, seeing as it's a fridge, not a piece of it, electronics. But when you're away from camp and you want to make sure that your fridge is still on and still cold, at least you're able to check it. Or if you wanted it slightly colder for any particular reason, if you're away, you just jump onto your app and adjust it that way. So here we go. Nice and opened. Well, the boxing is extensive, which is great. Nicely packaged. And there it is. It's very exciting. Well, straight off the bat, this thing is big. Oh. Okay, well, right, here it is. Very cool. So the one thing I noticed straight off the bat is, like I said, it's big and it's heavy. So take that into consideration when you're thinking about buying your next one. Right, well, first off, it looks like it's extremely well built. Take this. You can see the control panel there. Lovely studded effect on the top, which will stop from initial scratching. Really big, heavy duty handles, which is great. You have AC and DC output. It looks fantastic. So let's open her up. Let's have a look. One thing's really great about this is the fact that you can take these metal dividers out and take them into your kitchen and load everything in your kitchen first. So you can have your fridge on, getting it all nice and cold in your vehicle or wherever. And then when you're ready to go, you just take those metal bits out and just put them straight into your car and straight into your fridge, because I suspect if you had to load this up with all of your food and your drinks and everything else, it's definitely going to be a two-person carry. So you've got your two AC and DC leads there. Same again with this. This side has slightly smaller compartment because you have the compressor on that side, which is okay because the fridge is more than big enough for all your needs. Well, for most people's needs. Well, What comes with it, as I said, is your AC and DC lead. Got your instruction booklet, power consumption, booklet, and that. One of the reasons why I decided to get the fridge as well is because living in the UK, I'm sure everybody's starting to feel the pinch, and we had 2 fridges in our household, mostly using the freezers, and of course, with all of the energy hikes that we're having, it's always nice to be able to still own a secondary fridge, but have it switched off, and then when we need it, we can just switch it back on. It's not a huge compressor, so it's nice when you're having family over or that occasional camping trip, to have one of these. It's a must in our household. So we're going camping next weekend. Hoping to give it a trial run. I'll try and take some videos while we're there, and I can just let you know how it works. Very excited to try it out, because I don't think we're ever going to have an issue with not having some nice cold beverages, and also taking as much food as we want down, without worrying about it going off or wet or soggy.